Welcome to George and Jane YouTube video channel of adventures and hobbies. Please subscribe and like, comments welcome. Don't forget to browse the playlists.
Hi YouTube, it's George working on the Bongo and running the pipe through from the bulkhead to here for the automatic bleed system. You can see there's hoses on, clips on, alternators back, and I'll show you the front. Here's a long pipe down here at the moment going through there, and that's going to tee off on this one here. I've got the low water alarm fitted there, back on. I've done some tests and it seems to be okay. It's possibly the routing of the wiring which is causing it to give false alarms. And what I'm doing, I'm putting some extra piping over the top of here, because this is going to be very hot, you know, around the legs. So I've got some of this stuff. I'm going to run this pipe inside this one, hopefully, and then feed it through there and connect it there. And yeah, does that make sense? Put this over the top, yeah, put this inside there like that, so it, you know, it gives us extra protection to there. The grommet's glued in, and so it don't come out. And then I'm going to see if I can strap it up somewhere to these, you know, the pipe that's going to come around like that, hopefully, because I don't want it to touch the alternator belts here. In fact, I might slacken those off, they feel a little bit too tight, and I'll do that in a minute. Well, it's all coming back together, slow but sure. This is back in, seats back in, glove box is back in, tidying up the tools in the back. What else? Yeah, I'll need to find a plastic clip to go in here, in there, to hold the trim. And I've got a whole set of them somewhere, so I'll have to see if I can find them. Now I'll just put a clip in there and these plastic things, that's holding it together. Good job I got a set of these. Damn things, I hate them. All sorts of clips in here. Oh, the other thing I haven't showed you is my radiator cap. That's my radiator cap for this, and yeah, I hope it does the job. It's got a temperature gauge in it.